Yukon said my patterns look good. I started putting it together last week, completed today, Sunday, the 25th. And this is a My Jeep update, Sunday, not sure of the date. And I just got everything back together about 2 o'clock. And it's about 3:45 now, I believe. And I'm going to take this thing around the neighborhood and see how it shifts, see what kind of noise it's making. Update later. I'm out here at the front of our neighborhood. I'm going to make a left on Celery Avenue. And we'll see if this thing's going to hum or whine or whatever. Like we got some work going on down here. Ship's good. At 35 it still sounds pretty good. Drive for a while. I'll be back shortly if I hear anything. Right now it's fairly quiet, quieter than last time. And this is the marina here. I'm going to turn around here. This is where they got a nice restaurant. We used to come down here and eat a lot. You know, here's a turnaround, and I'm going to head on back. See how many miles we put on it. Is it 175? Yeah, let me see. Put 2 miles on it, it's at 177. Okay, we're headed out from the marina. Yeah, for the first 300 miles, they want everything slow acceleration. I believe you're supposed to keep it under 40. I'm gonna have to look up that again. And no more than 15 to 20 miles. And you're supposed to check the differential temperature out. I haven't shut the camera down. So far I like the way it sounds. It sounds better than it did the last 2 times. I don't hear that whine. And we're coming back to the neighborhood. I think I'd probably call this successful. I might have to do something about that sway bar. It is a little rough, a little stiff. Okay, this is my Jeep back at the house, still Sunday. It's about 4:15 or so, still early. And there's my mileage, 179. I put about 4 miles on it, got it up to about 45, and hey, I'm kind of happy about it. I didn't hear the whine that I heard last time, and the last 2 times it sounded pretty good, shift smooth, and it's quiet back there at the differential. I got some noise from the bouncing, the stiff ride from that heavy duty sway bar I put on here. I may have made a mistake putting that thing on. Because when I first got this Jeep, this thing had a pretty smooth ride. And what I'm reading is a lot of guys, if they go trail riding, they use the disconnect or they just take their sway bars off. It doesn't let the frame flex like it should, which gives you a rougher ride. Anyway, my Jeep back. I'm gonna call that success. Made some progress because I'm happy with it. Definitely an improvement, probably a major improvement over the last 2 attempts. The pattern was good. My preload was good. The backlash was good. So with a good pattern, everything I've read and checked out, you should have a good setup. So we'll see how this goes as I break it in, because I've got another nearly 300 miles of break-in time. So I'm gonna post this video tonight, and I appreciate you stopping in and watching, and we'll catch you next time. Another update before I go from Differential. I'm gonna put about 4 miles on it. Excuse me. And the heat, it's just barely warm here. And it's warm on this side of the case. It's barely warm on the cover. Really 4 miles is not much. Next time I drive it this coming week, I'm gonna try to do 10 or 12 miles, probably 10 miles. And I'll try to drive it in areas where I don't have to get over 45. I'm gonna do a little research on that speed. It seems like they said not to drive it over 40, but I'm not sure. Check it out later, and I will post this video tonight. My Jeep out.